everybody, welcome to this new mini tutorial about Kajabi. Today I'm gonna show you how you can edit this exit pop-up that always is appearing in your website when you open it, or for new um, people who find your page. So this is really easy to modify or change, but where it's located is kinda kinda hide. So let's see. So when you are editing your website or any landing page, you should go here, go to your left column here, and scroll down. So at the end of your sections, you'll see these three buttons. So this here is the one for the pop-up. So you just have to press it, and it doesn't gonna appear. Okay, so you have to click on here, and when you press it, you'll see the pop-up. So now you can add content or edit it, like if you are editing another section of your page. So you can add a button, you can add a form, a picture, text, or videos, whatever you want, you can add it here. And you also can add the frequency that this pop-up will be shown. So for example, if you see here, it says don't show the pop-up to return visitors for this many days. So for example, 3 days, it will show me the pop-up when I go to the website the first time, but then after 3 days, if I go again, I will see it. But if I go like today and tomorrow, I don't gonna see it again. If you want that your pop-up um always, like, you just have to leave this blank. But if you want, like, maybe 10 days after the first um time, you can add it here. And other settings are here. So for example, alignment or block alignment here. So yeah, that's it. It's really easy. And to close this, you just click here and it's gonna disappear. But don't forget to press this here if you want your pop-up being shown. Here, if you don't mark here, um, it doesn't wanna be active. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in another tutorial.